In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder in Google Drive 2025. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser so you're on the Drive home screen. If you happen to be on another Google page, use the Google Apps grid to jump into Drive, then make sure you're viewing the home area and switch into My Drive so you can see your files and folders. Find the folder you want to share in My Drive. Select the folder, then open the More Actions menu, which is the three dots icon. From there, choose Share. This opens the sharing window. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a section labeled General Access. By default, many folders are set to Restricted, which means only people you've explicitly added can open them. Click the drop-down arrow next to Restricted and change it to anyone with the link. Right below that, set the permission level. Click where it says Viewer to confirm the role. Viewer is the safest choice when you just want others to see what's inside without changing or deleting anything. Commenter lets people leave feedback on files that support comments. An editor gives full access, including reorganizing and removing files, so use editor only when you truly trust the recipients. After choosing the right level, click the Share button to apply the change. You'll now see the shareable link at the top of the window. Highlight it to copy so you can paste it into an email, chat, or document. If you don't see the link right away, look for a line that says something like, "Only people with access can open with the link." Click that line to open the same general access controls again. If it still shows restricted, switch it once more to anyone with the link and confirm the permission is set to viewer. When everything looks correct, click Done to finish. Your folder is now accessible to anyone who has the link with the permission level you selected. A quick tip: if you're sharing sensitive content, keep it on viewer and only send the link to people who need it. You can change these settings at any time by reopening the share window and switching general access back to restricted to lock down the folder again. That's it. You've successfully shared a folder from My Drive, changed general access from restricted to anyone with the link, set the permission to viewer, and copied the link for easy sharing.